to Moments with Mashai, where we talk about handbags, fashion, we do unboxings and reviews. And today we are talking about my must-haves that I take with me to work in my work bag. So let's take a look at that. Before we get into this video, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel. Now, let's get into this. This is my old faithful and trusty, my Louis Vuitton Delightful bag. I've had this bag now for probably about 8 or 9 years, and I absolutely love it. But it is it's a soft-sided bag. The bag itself is soft on the bottom, so it doesn't have a lot of structure. One of the things that I've added to this bag to help me out is an organizer. So I'm going to pull this out so you can see it. So this is the organizer that fits down inside of my delightful bag. It gives the bag structure. Like I said, it makes it easier for me to find things, so I'm not digging around and having to look for small pieces. Because with this organizer, you have outer pockets on both sides, and then you have pockets on the inside. So we're going to talk about what's on the pockets on the inside. Now, I always carry an umbrella with me, living in the DC metro area, especially this time of year. It may rain in the morning, in the afternoon, you may have sun or vice versa. So, gotta have an umbrella. Also, I have my makeup bag. And in my makeup bag, I carry my beauty essentials. I have my puffs, just in case I get a little shiny on my nose. I can absorb that oil. I found that with using tissues and Kleenexes, it actually removes some of your makeup throughout the day, and you may actually get some of the tissue fibers on your nose, and no, that doesn't always work. This lipstick is amazing. It's Black Honey by Clinique, and this was really popular a few years ago. The color, it looks like a dark brown. I put some on a little bit earlier and see how it looks. And it's a beautiful color because it looks dark, but when it goes on, it's that perfect shade it gives you like a little pinkish, brownish color, and it looks really natural. So Black Honey by Clinique. Also, earbuds. I'm always listening to music, so I have a pair of earbuds in here. I do have a powder puff in here, Bobbi Brown. It's pressed powder, just in case I do get shine. This combination is a never fail, y'all. It is the Molasses Lip Liner by Sephora, and it is the color of this stick. You put that on, and then I also use this mauve pink, and this combination always works. It looks very natural. One thing I found out about lining your lips is you don't have to line your whole lips, because if you put lip liner in your corners, it has a tendency to drag your lips down. So when you apply your lip liner, you apply it from here to here because it makes your lips look a little bit more plump. And on your bottom, you apply it here to here. Okay, so it's basically your liner is from here to here. You apply your color, you blot, and you get that finished look because, like I said, it doesn't pull the corners of your lips down. That's a little trick. Yeah. And say it with me. Y'all know, gotta have my hand cream. So those are some of my essentials that I carry in terms of makeup, because I don't want to be somewhere and I'm shiny, or I need to apply and I don't have my necessities there with me. Perfume, Valentino Born in Roma. I love this perfume. I've been wearing this for years, and it's, like I said, it's a never fail. So you can get it. I have quite a few of these that I keep in my purses, just to freshen up my scent throughout the day. I am a press-on nail girly, but I always keep a nail file because you never know if you're going to have a snag. So I keep that. And as you see, I do wear glasses. So I always carry a backup pair of glasses. I actually took these out of the case. Sunglasses. Say it with me now. Today I'm wearing black and So I have on a black blazer, black sweater, blue jeans, and sneakers. So kind of casual today in the office. Not that many folks were there. Didn't have any meetings outside of some Zoom calls, and I did cheat. You only see me from here up. So I did go with my black Coach sunglasses. I love these. Y'all know I'm a Coach girly. So this is what they look like on. I love this detail right here and here. I did get these at the Coach outlet last summer, but I do love these glasses. The lenses are really dark, so sometimes it may be a little bit too dark for me. So I carry a backup. I carry my Ray-Bans. They look dark, but they're really not super dark. So yes, these are my Ray-Bans. I'm a glasses girly. I think they are a perfect accessory for an outfit. So yes, I always carry my Coaches and my Ray-Bans. Now, in addition to that, oops, my work badge, can't show that. In those times where if I'm just want to have a natural lip, just my own color, look, I believe soft lips, gotta have them. So Carmax, if you know, you know. Another hand cream, hand sanitizer. Yeah, it's still germs out here, y'all. So we got to do that. My wallet. And I do have, I love my Techniques earphones, but at times it's nothing bangs like a Bose. So I have my Bose phones. These things, they're noise canceling earphones. So sometimes I'm in my office and part of my job is I write and review contracts. So I will put my noise canceling earbuds in so I can focus on the words that are in front of the page and have some music going. So like I said, it helps me to focus. Keys for my baby, for my car. And that's last thing, notepad. Okay guys, sometimes I'll have ideas for videos and things will come to me. So I'll just write this down. My mom gave this to me some time ago and it is just the best thing. It comes with a little ink pen. So if I want to just jot down an idea, I can write it here. I know I have a cell phone, and with the phone, it's a Samsung Galaxy phone. I can very easily use that note-taking function. But what I'll do is I'll take that information that I have there and I will transfer it onto a larger sheet of paper. So that way I can really get my ideas and concepts down. So that's what I put in here. And I'll tell you guys, I got this organizer and I've got change and stuff in here because Dunkin' Donuts, yes, yay. I got this organizer off of Amazon and it has been a lifesaver. I can tether my keys to this and drop them down in here. And I'll show you, this organizer has 3 pockets across the back on both sides. It's got a pretty firm bottom. So once I put it into my bag, it does give it structure. And it is a heavy felt. So it's soft, but at the same time, like I said, it does provide structure. So I'll put the link for this organizer down in the video. And it just simply slides in to my bag like this. It doesn't go all the way up. It's not, but which is fine because I can take advantage of the pocket that's in the back for if I choose to. Like right now I forgot my battery pack because I'm always shooting content, so I always need to have a backup source just in case my battery gets low. So yeah, those are the things that I carry with me when I go to work, that's in my work bag, that help me to maintain a polished look throughout the day, protect my eyes in terms of sunglasses, and yeah, that's my work bag. So thank you for watching this video. Please click on like and subscribe. Please share this video with your family and friends. Let me know down in the comments, what are some of the things you carry in your work bag? Do we have some things that are the same, some things that are different? So until next time, please take care of yourself and peace.